Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Miro. Miro is an exceptional collaborative platform that revolutionized the way teams work together. Its intuitive interface and extensive range of features makes it a go-to tools for brainstorming, visual collaborating, and project management. So let's create our account. You will need a work email, or you can sign up with Google, Slack, Facebook, Apple. Agree, continue. Now, this is the logo. Okay, with Miro, users can create and share interactive whiteboards, mind maps, diagrams, and more, fostering creativity and enhancing productivity. The real-time collaboration capability enables seamless teamwork, whether your team is co-located or distributed remotely. So, example, set up your team. What? Oh, always. What kind of work you do? Die? Student, IT service, engineering, agile coach, sales success, UX research, others. Have you ever used Miro before? No, it's my first time. What will you use Miro for? Personal. What's this? What's your role? Director, team manager, individual, freelancer. What's your company's size? Zero? Only me. How did you hear about this? Friend, word of mouth. Yes, something like this. Copy this link to share in your work messenger, or you can add emails here to send invitations. So let's send invitation. What do you want to do? Ideation and brainstorming, agile workflows, mapping and diagrams, meeting and workshop, research and design, strategy planning. So let's go with strategy planning, and I will try it on the exam that I have after 8 days. Whoa, you just have a whiteboard. Cool. Okay, I will need something like this, but with more. So let's use it. Whoa, mouse, or no, I don't have this pad. So I will zoom with the yeah. Scroll. Yeah. Scroll up to zoom out. Yeah. I mean, where is out? Oh. Yay. Yay. Nice. Now what? Oh, those are role and name. No, I mean, I need here to select products. If I add it here, it will add it on the right. Yeah, I have 5 things to do. Let's delete this one. Wait. No, I clicked first time. Yes, this one. Delete. And delete also this one. Delete, delete. Keep deleting. So here you set the roles and the names, persons that they are doing this role. So how to move? Oh, just like this. You can move them around and play with them. So it's drag and drop interface, easy for anyone to do. So here I have physics. No, not this. Physics. We have here Now just delete this one also. Like this. Delete, don't click and say delete, just click delete first. So yeah, okay, right click to move and left click to do anything else besides moving. What the? Okay, I like the website. We have math, English. Okay, this is all assigned to me, so let's delete everything and say it's back Gloria. And we have philosophy. I think something wrong with this word. This one. And we have science, life and earth. That's it. Now I have to delete all those. I mean, come on. It's hard to delete. Why I added them in the first place? So this is how to add. You just have to add people instead of adding. No. Okay. Just move physics to the other side. Math to the other side, and English. No, English should be on the right here. So I'm setting a priority here. They're organized by the priority. So English, I think it's done. How? Here. Done. 100%. Where is the percentage? No, that's the oral. This. English is done 100. No, don't. Just delete this one. Ah, God, who added this? Okay, this is done 100%. Now you add other things until you complete everything. So you use it for people, I use it for exam. We can deal with it. So the project here has multiple settings to the board. You can add things. You can change preferences, disable the grid, align, scroll. We have profile settings. That I think that's easy. And when you are ready, you can upgrade to the pro. You can add people and persons to see this and help you. They can edit it in the same time with you. How to go back? I need, wait. Here, stop it. Now you can share it here and send it to anyone. And here you can click that anyone from the Akatsuki can edit, and anyone from not the Akatsuki can just view this. So your team can edit it and the others not. So you can tag persons here, like, let's add another thing. Yes, let's add one. And just click in add. Yes, you can tag persons here. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.